In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remaster songs in Suno AI. Whether you're an aspiring musician or a seasoned producer, remastering can breathe new life into your tracks, enhancing the audio quality, and even improving the mix and balance of the instruments and vocals. So let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you're able to make the most out of your Suno AI experience. First, you'll need to log into your Suno AI account. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account to access the features we'll be exploring today. Once you're in, navigate to your library. This is where you'll find all the songs you've uploaded or have access to within Suno AI. Take a moment to locate the specific song you want to work on. Next, it's time to initiate the remastering process. To do this, simply click on the three dots next to the song title. This opens what we call the More Actions menu. Hover your cursor over the Create option, and from the submenu that appears, choose Remaster. It's important to note that this feature is available only to Suno AI Pro account holders. So, if you find you're unable to access it, that might be why. Now, if you're using the V5 model of Suno AI, you have the added flexibility of selecting a variation strength. This controls how much the output differs from the original track. If you choose Subtle, you're aiming for a cleaner mix or a smoother balance. This option is great if you're just looking to refine what's already there, without straying too far from the original sound. On the other hand, selecting Normal will keep the essence of the original track, but with a refreshed and polished feel. It's a balanced choice for those who want a slight enhancement in production quality. For those looking to take a more creative approach, High will offer more noticeable twists or even a different balance of instruments. Perfect for adding a new flair to your music. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click Generate. Suno AI will get to work processing your song to enhance its audio quality, along with other elements like pronunciation if necessary. This powerful tool sifts through your track to ensure every aspect is polished to perfection. After a short wait, Suno AI will present you with two newly remastered versions of your song, each automatically added to your library. This gives you the opportunity to compare and choose the version that best aligns with your creative vision. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively use Suno AI to remaster your songs in just a few minutes, opening up new possibilities for your music. Remember, the more you experiment with different settings, the better you'll get at finding the sound that's just right for you. Enjoy exploring and happy creating.